Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Morocco. For that, first of all, we need to find out whether we can open our account in Morocco or not. So in order to do it, you need to simply paste this link in the search bar, and I will also put the link of it down in the description. Once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you need to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and you need to simply search for Morocco. As you can see that Morocco is in the list, so you need to simply click on it and open it in a new tab. Now here, this is the PayPal account opening link from Morocco. So click on the sign in option here and then select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. Then click on continue in the bottom. Now here you need to make sure that your country's flag is available here. If it is not available here, so click on this drop down menu and from this list you will have to select Morocco. Now after doing so, you need to provide your email address and then you will have to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to fill out a simple form in which you need to provide your first name, your last name, your phone number, your banking details, card details, etc. So fill out that form carefully and create a strong password for your PayPal account, which you can use in order to log in into your PayPal account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.